The very important session of our Dr. Soros's classes, and we were doing very important series of FINRA questions. So we have done already quite a number of questions from FINRA, and this is another one. So I hope that you are watching our videos and you are liking it. So all the FINRA students, please gather together over here, and we will deal these questions together, and we will solve this one. Okay, so before I start the video, I say every time that if you face any problem, if you want classes, if you want to go for study materials or mock test sessions have already started with for FINRA, and you can also sit for that exam and know how much you have learned it and how much you are yet to learn. So for that analysis and for that evaluation, please ping us or call us or WhatsApp us on 90623951123. The number is given in your screen. Okay, now let's read the question. Reen is a registered agent who works for secure money broker dealer. One of her clients, Mrs. McTurk, is a recently widowed woman who relies on Irene for advice about her investment portfolio. Mrs. McTurk reminds Irene of her own grandmother, and she is happy to provide guidance within the sphere of her own knowledge. Based on these facts, which of the following statement is true? Secure money broker dealer must register as an investment advisor since one of its employees is providing investment advice. Erin must register as an investment advisor since she is providing investment advice. Secure money broker dealers must register as an investment advisor since one of its employees is providing investment advice, and Erin must register as an investment advisor representative as the firm's employee. Neither secure money broker dealer nor Irene must register as an investment advisor based on the facts provided. Please solve. Let's decode the situation very carefully. First is Irene. What's her job role? A registered agent. Okay. Now, of a broker dealer, that we have got, broker dealer, that much we have got. Now, giving investment advice to one client. So one of a client relies on Irene for advice. So Irene gives advice to one of her clients, doing it informally within her knowledge. Okay, because Irene reminds of her own grandmother, she is happy to provide guidance within her sphere of own knowledge. Within the sphere of her own knowledge, informal. Okay, this is where most students get trapped. Now you have got the concept, you have understood the questions. Now let's do it. Broker dealer exclusion means what? Let's do it over here. The core rule. Okay. Broker dealer exclusion. What does it mean? It means a broker dealer is not considered as an investment advisor if a broker dealer is not considered, considered as an investment advisor if advice given is incidental to its main business. Done. No separate fee is charged for the advice. Done. Now applying to Irene's case. Erin is working under broker dealer, that we know. Broker dealer, giving advice as part of a normal role. Okay, giving advice. Advice as part of a normal role. And then what? They're not charging a separate advisory fee. So not charging a separate advisory fee. Understood? So the firm that is a secure money, no IA registration needed. Erin is agent, no IA registration is needed. The firm, for the firm that is a secure money, she works with secure money, right? Secure money, it is a firm. Okay, and for the firm that is secure money, no IA registration needed. And then comes Erin, agent, no IA registration, again no IA registration needed. So let's focus on the options. Right, fine. A, secure money broker dealer must register as an investment advisor since one of its employees is providing investment advice. Wrong, advice is incidental, so exemption applies over here. Why? Because advice is incidental. So exemption applies. Applies over here. B says Erin must register as an investment advisor since she is providing investment advice. No, because she is not acting independently. She is working just as an agent doing her job. Okay, because she is not acting independently. Okay, she is just an agent doing her job. You can say just an agent, doing her job. C, both must secure money broker dealer must register as an investment advisor since one of its employees is providing investment advice, and Erin must both register. No, again no. Why? Overkill, like ignores the broker dealer exclusion rules. Again, it's not necessary. So advice is equal to not advisor always. That is, so D is the correct thing, right? So neither secure money broker dealer nor Erin must register as an investment advisor based on the facts provided. So that we have got no IA registration needed, that we have Erin agents, no, not needed. Over here you have to understand advice does not mean, it's not always like advisor always. And one thing, yes, in British English we do write SOR, in American English we write SCR, right? So just because we are Indian, we know that we have learnt the way that colonialists have taught us English, because English came from them only. You guys also have learnt English because of the British people, because they have captured those land, and from there onwards you have learnt English from them. Somehow you have turned that English into American English, and the spelling has changed a little bit, but our English remains the same, and we said SCR. And it is incidental, of course, advice equal to advisor always, but check that it is incidental or not, and is there a separate fee. So we have to always check, what you have to check, that is it incidental. First question. Second, is there a separate fee? These questions should be asked. If no separate fee plus incidental advice, no registration. Write it down. If no separate fee plus incidental advice, if this is the combination, then you have to understand no registration. Got it? So we have got it, okay, and we have got the answer. So Areen is acting as a broker dealer agent, advice is incidental, no separate compensation. And we have completed this question as well. I think that I have made myself quite clear over here, and there shouldn't be any doubt in this particular one, and all the rules and regulations and everything has been explained quite clearly. Still, if you find something that very doubtful, very quite messed up in your head, then there's a number in your screen, you can call us at any point of time. Okay, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video, bye bye.